Hello friends, welcome to Data Science Lovers. In this video, we will see how we can convert the data type of a column into datetime format. Suppose we have a data frame. This is our data frame. Here we have a column, release date column. In this column, we have dates, the month, the date and year. Now, if we check the data type of this particular column or using the info function, then we can see for the release date column the data type is object, means it is a categorical data type. But to process this data in Pandas data frame, we have to convert it into datetime format. We can convert this into datetime format using a simple function to datetime. So first of all, we have to use Pandas library, then to datetime function. Inside this function, we have to pass the column that we want to consider. We want to consider this release date column. So I will copy and paste here like this. When I will run this command, the data type of the column is changed now into datetime format. As you can see here also datetime. Here it is showing year, month and dates. Okay. Now we will make these changes into the original column of our data frame, and to do so I will consider the release date column, and here we can simply put this command. When we will run this, the command has been executed and this is our data frame now, and the release date column is showing the dates like this. Here earlier it was showing like this. Here you have to notice one main thing, that we cannot convert the data type of any column into datetime column. We can convert the data type only of those columns where we have the dates. We cannot convert the data type of this categorical column because there are no dates. Also, we cannot convert the data type of any numerical column unless there are dates in that column. Okay. So that's all friends for this video. To watch this video in Hindi, you can go to our this channel IT courses.